In this video, we'll go over how you can enhance your performance review responses using AI inside Teamflect, and we'll start things off from the point of view of a direct report. As you can see, as a direct report, we receive a Teamflect card for a review that has to be filled. So all we have to do is click See Review. Now, as we're completing the self-review section, we will put our answer in, and then we will have the option to enhance with AI. Once we do that, we have a plethora of options available to us. We can either click Regenerate for a new answer, refine the tone, make our answer longer, shorter, simplify the language, check our grammar, or remove biased language. Let's click here to make our answer longer. And then we can click Refine Tone, and then make our answer a little more casual or a little more formal. If we want to, we always have the option to return to the previous response. Once we're satisfied with a response, all we have to do is go down and select Use this text. And that's how easy it is to draft review responses with AI using Teamflect. Let's try it with another response. Once again, we put our answer in, and then we click Enhance with AI. This time, I'm going to click Regenerate, and it will give me a brand new answer, but along the same lines. Then, I have the option to check my grammar, like so. And then once again, I'll click Use this text. Once we have all our answers ready, as is the case with every performance review inside Teamflect, all we have to do is scroll all the way down and click Submit. Now, let's move on to the manager's view and see how they can draft responses using AI. So we're inside the account of a manager now, and as you can see, Teamflect has sent us a card saying one of our direct reports have completed their self-review. So we're clicking See Review, and here we are inside the template and we're putting our comments in. And just like we did before, we need to click Enhance with AI, and then click right here to make it longer. And as you can see, it only takes a few seconds. Once we're done, we're clicking Use this text. Now, we believe that managers in Teamflect will benefit greatly from this feature that allows them to respond to each and every one of their direct reports in great detail without losing time or sacrificing quality. We can also use this feature for the overall comments and private comments section as well. But that about brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, never hesitate to contact the Teamflect support staff.
Teamflect. Build teams that deliver.